Hello and welcome to this analysis on stocks and indices. Today's video is on VIP Industries. Now, VIP is a small cap company into the manufacturing and marketing of luggage bags, accessories, backpacks, handbags. It is the second largest bag manufacturer in the world with brands like VIP, Skybags, Carlton, Capri's, and Aristocrat. It has its own manufacturing units across the country and also in Bangladesh, a market cap of 8,932 crores with a return of equity of 29% and a 12-month trailing PEG ratio at a negative 2.7. With a healthy dividend payout of 31%, and the working capital requirement has come down for the company from 136 days to 96 days, very low debt. But the in the last quarter on quarter and year on year, there has been a decline in operating profit margins, and it could be that the company might be capitalizing on its interest costs. The promoter holding is 51.23%, while the FIIs hold 7.76%, domestic institutions 14.7%, while the public has a healthy 26.32%. 0% promoter pledge. The largest non promoter holding of this company belongs to UTI at 1.89%. Now, let's go and look at the charts and what it is suggesting to us. In the the quarterly time frame, you can see from its listing in 2019, it's had a fantastic run. Every dip has gone on to see a higher low, and then the rallies have seen higher highs continuously, continuously out surpassing the previous peaks from 28 to 170, from 170 to 600, and right now comparatively not so high. At the peak was at 760. So the rally from the COVID lows has not uh, matched in terms of percentage the previous rallies which we have seen in the stock from 2008 low or 2013 low so far. But in from Ichimoku term point of view, doing very strong, quite firmly placed in the quarterly chart. Also, if we look at the quarterly chart and we join the trend lines of the peaks and the lows, nice parallel channel running right now, hugging on to the quarterly time frame, lower time frame channel out there. So let's have a look at the monthly chart now and try to decipher where is the support for the stock. So the support right now lingering around the major support line. If this support fails to hold, then the next support comes in at 550 to 525 odd, which is looks like a crucial support. 525, 550, like that. The resistance in the monthly chart around 725 for the time being, trading around $100 below that currently. Let's have a look at the weekly chart out here. Weekly chart trading below the cloud, but each attempt has been to bounce back above the cloud. And interestingly, in the weekly chart, we can see a triangle formation currently happening for the stock, where it could be a Ichimoku P wave theory, where it's completely likely right now completing or might have completed its last leg within the triangle and could now try to break on the upside. Now, in case it does that, in case it does manage to attempt a break on the upside, then the target for the triangle, if it breaks out above 740 odd, is around 250 rupees, which matches with the quarterly upper trend line resistance. So the weekly triangle breakout, if it were to happen above 740 odd, would lead to probable matching with the upper trend line resistance near 1000 bucks for the stock. Now for that we need to see whether it will break out above that or not. Again, in the weekly, the support at 550 and 5 to 500 extremely crucial, which matches with our monthly support line. Let's have a look at the daily candle and see what lies ahead for it. So in the daily, we can see a attempt which has been pulled back now very sharply inside the cloud, extreme volatility for the stock. In the weekly, once it starts trading above 700, it starts building momentum. And like I said, the 750 level would be interestingly a good 730 to 750 level would be where the breakout could take place. So early signals of reversal confirmation would happen above the level of here we go, yeah, of 700, and then as it continues to grow up. However, if it fails to hold this level of 500 and 500 or 550, then there is trouble in the stock if it fails to do that, because then we would be opening for further lower levels of 450, 350 odd, like that. Also, it would lead to a triangle failure in that case. Now, I hope this video is of help to you. Please do like it uh, and forward it, and also do follow me for such stocks and index updates. But before I go, a disclaimer: this is not a trading advice to you, long, short, or buy, sell. This is an educational video purely based on the study of Ichimoku trend lines and trend lines. So, with whatever decisions you take regarding investing or not in the stock, please do a thorough study and manage your calculate your risk and do respect the levels. So until then, happy investing, everyone. Bye bye.